Here we are going to discuss about plotting points in a Cartesian plane. Okay, that means we have to draw a vertical number line and another horizontal number line. We discussed how to mark the positive values, okay, only positive x values and positive y values in previous classes. Today we are going to deal with some negative values also. This is our x-axis, this is our y-axis. When these two lines intersect, that is the place of our origin, that means 0. Here in our x-axis, right side with respect to 0, that will hold positive 1, positive 2, positive 3, positive 4, these values. Left side with respect to 0, those are our negative values, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, likewise. And when you consider about your vertical axis, that means y-axis, here the area which is above the x-axis will hold the positive values, positive 1, positive 2. I'll raise this topic, okay, and extend this line. Okay, this is the y-axis, positive 3, positive 4. Okay, below our x-axis we are having our negative y quantities, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, likewise. Okay, when I ask you to mark, okay, when I ask you to find x a is equals to negative 2 comma 3. This is our point which we have to mark, okay. A is negative 2 and 3. That means you have to mark, okay, you have to mark a line through this negative 2 region. Mark a dotted line through this, and next, okay, it says about x value, it says about y coordinate. So in x coordinate it is negative 2, no, we have to draw a vertical dotted line in our x when x is equal to negative 2. Then after y is 3, that means we have to draw another line when y is 3. Okay, in this way we have to draw in this way. And when these two lines intersect at a place, okay, this is the intersection place for both of these straight lines. What we did here, x is negative 2, so we just mark a straight vertical line by using dotted lines through x is negative 2. Then y coordinate is 3. No? Same way, we just plotted a horizontal line which is going through positive 3 in y-axis. When these two lines intersect, that is going to be our location for A. Okay, that is going to be our location for easy. Okay, A. It's very easy. Okay, let's see another instance. B is equals to 4 comma negative 1. 4 comma negative 1. So we have to interpret the data to get our y coordinate and x coordinate. X is 4 and y is negative 1. Yeah, so x is 4 now. So we have to draw a dotted line through when x is 4. Okay, x is 4. The next condition is y is negative 1. So we have to draw a straight line through when y is negative 1. When these two lines intersect at this place, okay, at this place, this is our location of point B. Okay, this is our location for point B. Okay, when we think about this region, okay, this area, this one, to find the coordinate of this one, okay, I use red color, okay, that is somehow highlighted one. No? So this is our location C. We have to mark its coordinates C. C. Okay. You have to think about your x-axis. X-axis. In x-axis, okay, in x-axis that is going through when x is equals to 0. As you can see, when x is equals to 0, at that place this coordinate is going through. So in this place the x value is 0 and we have to draw another line which is going through the y value, that is positive 1. Okay, positive 1. So C is equals to 0 comma 1. This is the coordinate for the point C. Okay, point C means this one. This is our point C. What I did Like I saw previous one. In previous instances, they were given the coordinates. We have to find the location. In here, they were indicated the location. We have to find their coordinates. For that, same thing. I just plotted a straight dotted line through the x value. Okay, through x value. That is going to intersect when x is equals to 0. So its respective x value is 0. Y value is 1 here. Okay. When we draw a line through this in horizontal plane, that will give you y as 1. So this is the location of point C. Okay. When we think about another instance, okay, here, this is my point. Okay, this is my point. To find its coordinate, what I need to do, I have to draw a standing line. Okay. Rather than using the word vertical line, I'm using a standing line. Okay. A straight line. A straight vertical line means that is in a standing position. So this is our coordinate D. D is in here in x-axis, that is going through -4, and we have to find its y coordinate also. That's for that I have to draw a line, okay, a flat line, a flat dotted line, which is going through when x is equals to 0. Okay, when x is equals to 0, which is going through. So its respective y coordinate is 0 here. Y coordinate is 0 here. This is the way. When I give you the points, you have to identify the location. When I mark the location, you have to find your coordinates correctly in proper manner. Okay, we will do one more question here. This is our position. Okay, here I'll give you this position. You have to find its location. Coordinate. Okay, for that we have to draw a vertical line. Okay, which is going through when x is 2. Okay, when x is 2. So let's consider this point as E. So E's coordinate is equals to, in x-axis, that is going through 2, no? 2, and y-axis we have to draw again. Okay, through this we have to draw a straight line through this, which is intersecting y-axis at the point 4. So it's x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 4. Okay, y coordinate is 4. Somehow both can be positive, somehow both can be negative. 0 and -0 and positive, both one is negative, one is positive, another one x is negative, y positive, y negative, x positive. Likewise, these are some possible regions in this case. Okay, in this case.